All right, we are starting off with a nice hearty helping of salt and vinegar chips. Now you're gonna wanna take your chips and you're gonna wanna spread them all over the bottom of your baking sheet. Now, of course, you don't have to use salt and vinegar, and if you're choosing something different, tell us in the comments. Now you're gonna wanna grab yourself some prosciutto, and I'm gonna take this thin slice of prosciutto right out here and just take my kitchen shears, and nice and quickly we're just gonna go through and look at that. We're just gonna cut long strips of prosciutto, and we are just gonna lay them right on top of these salt and vinegar chips, you guys. We are just getting done putting this delicious prosciutto onto our salt and vinegar chips. Oh, I love salt and vinegar. Okay, now we're gonna take some brie cheese, and I already just conveniently sliced that up. So let's see, can we get the whole wheel of cheese out? Okay, there we go, perfect. Nice. I know, right? The whole wheel of cheese. Did you eat the whole wheel of cheese? All right, you guys, look, I cut it in nice big hunks, and I'm not even gonna be stingy with this. I'm just gonna put these nice big long hunks right on top of the prosciutto and the chips. This brie is gonna melt. It's gonna sink into those chips, you guys. It's gonna be so good. Now, I really like keeping the rind on the brie cheese. I think it gives it a lot of flavor, but you know what? Tell me in the comments, do you even like brie cheese, or would you choose something else instead? This is one of my favorite cheeses, especially dealing with a charcuterie board. Oh my goodness, and all of this brie soaking in with this prosciutto and these salt and vinegar chips is gonna be out of this world delicious. So I want a good layer here. I got 2 more. Maybe I won't use the ends. Maybe I'll just save them to snack on for myself, right? That looks great. All right, now we're coming in with a little bit of mozzarella. I just chose the easy version, some shredded mozzarella, and we'll just sprinkle some mozzarella right on top. So in between all of that brie cheese, we're gonna have a little bit of mozzarella to make sure that there is cheese in every bite, you guys. And like I said, with the salt and vinegar and the prosciutto, oh, this charcuterie nacho tray is out of this world. So this is where we're starting. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350, cook it for 20 minutes, but we have a couple more easy things to do, and stick around because it is really gonna make this delicious. Wow, these look amazing, and we're not even done yet, but look at the way that that brie has just melted in to those salt and vinegar chips and the mozzarella and the prosciutto. I can see, look, it's already getting kind of crispy, and I bet you all of that kind of just melted in with it. Ooh, yummy. All right, so check this out. We got some baby arugula here, you guys, and we're gonna top some arugula on this. I love the lemony and a little bit of zestiness that arugula gives, and I think it complements the brie, the prosciutto, and even the salt and vinegar so good, you guys. Like I said, we are making a charcuterie board nacho, right? So we just want a little bit of that arugula, some green, crispy color there. Oh, that looks phenomenal. Now we have some balsamic glaze, and this is really going to bring all of this together. So we're just gonna take that glaze. Oh, it smells so good. I love balsamic vinegar. And we are nice and gently just gonna really just kind of give this a little drizzle right over the top. Look at that. And the color, it just looks so professional, right? Bringing everything all together. Now, I'm just gonna scarf this down, keeping it in my baking sheet here. But of course, if you wanted to make this really fancy, you guys, you could put it on some type of cutting board. You could also put, I don't know, other fancy things around it. You tell me, how are you serving this in the comments? Are you adding anything else to it? But really, look at that masterpiece. I am so eager. I'm just gonna come right in here. I want a chip. Ooh, they sound crunchy and delicious. And check out that cheese bite as we take this out. Just look at all of that cheese just coming off. Oof. And we're gonna take some arugula right in with that. Oh, we have all in one bite. Let's see how this is here. My cat, do you hear her? She wants some too. She's like meowing, like, give me some. Maybe she smells the prosciutto. Okay, sorry, Aya. Yum. I love this, you guys. I'm obsessed with salt and vinegar chips. If I had to pick any kind of chip, it would be salt and vinegar. What would yours be? What is your favorite kind of chip? Would you do a different style or do something else? Or we're gonna keep it fancy with the brie and the prosciutto. All right, you guys, I hope you love these charcuterie nachos. We'll see you later. I'm about to scarf these down.